Hello everyone, good day. My name is Kiara with EQ and welcome back to my channel. If you happen to be new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and please do hit the subscribe button down below. So here we are at Qcmc, the famous landmark of Quezon City, a family's park, a gardener's playground. There's a lot of variety of plants here. You can find flowers, indoors and outdoor plants. There are also different types of succulents and cacti. Sadly, all types of cactus and succulents are ranging from 60 to 70 pesos now. Before the pandemic, the price of the cactus was only for 35 pesos and the price of the pot was just only for 10 pesos. So you can have a brand new plant for just 45 pesos. But because of the pandemic and planting is a trend here in the Philippines, prices of all plants and garden stuff had increased. So please stay tuned to know what we bought, and I will tell you the prices of what we bought later. And also I will be having a review of the conditions of the plants after 2 months. But for now, let's enjoy the beauty of these living things. So there are also pebbles, soil, and garden tools available for your garden needs. Let's now move on to the plant tour. This elephant ear plant cost for like 1,000 pesos, but luckily this plant was just only given to us. This plant usually grows in rainforest environments. It is also known as giant taro, and as you can see, the front leaves is colored green, and when the leaves gets older, it's kind of violet, and look at its stem, it is very unique with its stripes. So this leaf just unveiled, so it's kinda glossy, and I love touching the leaves when it's just unveiled. It's very satisfying. And this is the dwarf umbrella plant. After 2 months, it costs for 200 pesos, and as you can see, it grows with its little leaves. So here is the yellow pandan plant, which costs for 150 pesos, and I often see yellow pandan on the landscape garden of the malls. It enhances the beauty of your indoor and outdoor home. And here we have another elephant ear plant. Let's just focus on the stem so you can see the unique stripes. And now we have here a Chinese rodon. Luckily we didn't bought this, but it was only given to us. It is also known as blindness tree because its sap is toxic and can cause blindness if you get it in your eyes. It has a distinctive long narrow leaves, are dual colored, being shiny dark green on one side and deep maroon on the other side. So this is the peace lily plant, which will unveil a new leaf after a few weeks. So here we have the geranium aralia, or aralia in short, which costs for 200 pesos. So as you can see, the leaves are falling off, but I can see baby new leaves coming. And just place this plant on a shady area or on a partial sunlight, and you can see this aralia will be healthier and happier. So here we now have the Siam Aurora plant, which costs for 150 pesos. This is a very beautiful houseplant because of its red and green colors. It has a baby new leaves, so it is growing extensively. Last but not the least, we have the Lucky Jade plant, which originally cost for 350 pesos. But because of my mom's bargaining skills, she only got this for 300 pesos. So the leaves of these jade plants really looks like coins, which symbolizing wealth and prosperity. This ends my video for today with this strawberry tree and calathea plant. So I will be having a lot of upcoming gardening videos, so please do hit that subscribe button down below. So bye, thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.